Now I wrote the second paragraph too. So these two paragraphs given in a lesson called title Karate Kitten. Now I tell you about these two paragraphs. Just listen to me very carefully. Okay, children?
Yes, sir.
Is my writing clear on the blackboard?
Yes, sir.
Do you like my writing?
Yes, sir.
So I ask you to write like me. There should be no mistake in your writing. Okay.
Yes, sir.
See, children. I told you there was a boy in the story. What was his name? Rohit. Now, when Rohit was 9, means it was about his age when he was 9 years old. So, when Rohit was 9, his family lived in a small town. His father, Raja, what was his name? Raja was the father of Rohit. So, his father, Raja, was he a teacher?
No.
Was he a doctor?
No.
Was he an engineer?
No.
Then who was he? Yes, he was a clerk in Ravan company. There was a boy who was 9 years old. He had a father whose name was Raja Rao, and he worked as a clerk in Ravan company. Clear? And his mother, what was his name? Janaki. So Janaki was she a teacher? Who was she? She was a homemaker. Janaki was a homemaker. So Janaki, you see, actually she used to be alone. For example, I tell you something. If you come to school, if your father goes to a work, whatever it doesn't your mother want to be alone at your home? She will be alone at home. Likewise, here also, she used to be alone. She used to be single, which means there will be no one in the room. So she used to be alone during the daytime when Rohit was in school and Raja was in his office. She wanted to have a pet. Janaki wanted to have a pet. So Janaki asked Rohit's father, who was he? Raja. She asked Rohit's father, Raja, several times for a pet. Rohit also supported his mother. Yes, daddy, bring a pet for mother. Do you think Raja brought a pet home?
No.
No. I'll see how happened, what happened. Many days passed. But Raja didn't bring home any pet. So she fed up. Janaki was fed. She said to herself, no, my husband Raja would never bring a pet. I should get the pet on my own. She said to herself. One morning, Janaki and Rohit went to a pet shop on Mahatma Gandhi Road near the clock tower. When Janaki and Rohit went to the pet shop, the pleasant shopkeeper welcomed them. The pleasant shopkeeper. See, for example, if you go to a shop, the shop owner or the shopkeeper, he invites into the shop by smiling, doesn't he?
Yes.
So here also, the pleasant shopkeeper welcomed them into the pet shop. Janaki and Rohit went to the shop. And Janaki explained her problem to the shopkeeper. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
So here let me ask you a question. What is the problem that Janaki had? What do you think the problem Janaki had? What is the problem she explained to the shopkeeper? Pet. They came for the pet. But what the problem could it be? She used to be alone. when his son was at school and his father was in his office. Sorry, his husband was in office. Understood? So it is a problem. Did you understand my class? Are you all happy with my class? Here, see, in midst of this writing, I wrote some capital letters. Rohit, R is capital, and here Janaki is a capital, and Raja, in the word Raja, R also capital. Likewise, in here see Mahatma Gandhi, here also M capital, G capital. So why do you think in midst of the sentence, why do you think I wrote the capital letter? Why do you think I wrote the capital letter?
Noun.
Noun. That is a proper noun. Understood? Proper noun. Altaf, Anas, Srivalli, Safa, Raju, Rishi. For all these proper noun, we use capital letter. Understood? So Rajarao is a proper noun. It's the name of a person. So if you want to write a person name, the first letter should ever be the capital, even if it is in middle of the sentence. Clear? And see, one other thing I want to tell you is if the time we start a sentence, we should ever start with a capital letter. See, but, in the word but, it is not a word, it is not a noun. But I wrote the word but starting with B capital, capital B. Why? So when we write a sentence, the first letter of the sentence should ever be the capital one, even if it is not a noun. Understood? Clear? And after completion of the sentence, there must be a full stop. Punctuation mark. If it is a question, there must be a question mark. If it is an exclamation, exclamation mark should be written. If it is a statement, full stop is to be kept. Understood? See, many days passed. A D is small, M is small, P is small, but M is capital. Why do you think M is capital? Why do you think M is capital? No, it is not a noun. But it is the first letter of the sentence. Understood? So the sentence is, as the sentence is finished, I put the full stop. So, which means what I am telling you is, even you also take care of your writing. Let there be no mistake right the time of writing regarding punctuation of comma, inverted commas, full stops. Okay. Is my class clear?
Yes, sir.
Are you happy with my class?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Very good.